All right, my sweet peeps, this is your kiss for today. We are going again for the low-hanging fruit, which is breath. All right, hands on your thighs. You're sitting comfortably. Roll your shoulders back. Squeeze your shoulder blades. Take a deep breath in. Then draw your chin down and exhale. Open the back of the neck. Let it go. And again, inhale. Squeeze up the shoulders, blades. Draw the chin down, exhale. Let everything go. Roll your shoulders up, squeeze your shoulder blades, inhale. Draw the chin down, exhale. Relax, one more time, here we go. Roll those shoulders, squeeze the blades, inhale. Draw the chin down, exhale. Relax. We're opening up the neck. We're opening up all the way to that heart center so we can really start living from our heart center. Not that nattery ego mind, but that heart center. All right. That was your kiss for today. Till next time.